What's up, everyone? My name is Mark Plant, and this is MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, like I said, my name is Mark Plant, and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in. I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button that's down on the bottom there. Helps the channel out a lot. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. You guys are the reason why I'm able to do these videos and purchase these products. If you're already a subscriber, if you hit that bell icon right next to the subscribe button, you get a notification anytime I put up a new video, like this one. If you're using a mobile device, just make sure that notifications are allowed. All right, so what this video is going to be, should be a pretty quick one, I hope. It's going to be an unboxing of cheap tech. What I want to do is I want to record more on my iPhone. The video on the iPhone is incredible. It's really good. The only issue I have is with the sound. Sound on an iPhone is not the greatest. I mean, it's okay, but it can be better. This is the microphone that I got. Very cheap microphone. I got it off of Amazon. I believe it was about 10 bucks. So let's see what it's got. I'm not going to do basically rip it open unboxing, but what I'll do is I'll open up, I'll show you what comes in the box. This is the back of the box here. This doesn't want to focus on it. There we go. So this is what comes in the box. This is, like I said, I got this on Amazon. It's from a company called Embiawat. Okay. We'll get the front of the box on there. Like I said, it's really cheap. I'm not expecting much from this. So let's pop this open and dump the stuff on my desk here. So this is it. This is basically the microphone here. Comes with an extra wind guard, which is just a piece of sponge that goes over the microphone, and a small clip, I guess, to clip it like a lavalier like I have for this one here. So it looks pretty basic. Oh, that's an extra one because it comes with one on it. Didn't even realize that. Oh, and I love these people. No little wire twist tie on this. This is Velcro. Oh, I love these people already. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it. It's got a lightning end to it. Let's try to get that in focus here. Trying to focus on my face. There we go. That's a lightning cable, or the lightning connector. So what I'm going to do is let's just take it on my iPhone and we'll connect it in. So I don't know whether there's anything special I have to do on the phone. All right, so we'll switch over to the iPhone here. So we're down here. Hello, hello, hello. Oop, didn't stop recording. There we go. Hello, hello, hello. This is the microphone. Hello, hello, hello. 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 Let's see. All right, let's see if that worked. I don't think it worked. All right, so let me check on. I bet you there's something in the settings that I'm going to have to connect. So I'll get right back to you. Hold on. All right, I'm back. What I need to do basically is, first of all, I'm going to drop you guys over to the screen so I can show you there. It'll be a lot easier. So, all right, so now we're on the phone. Basically, you want to go to the main menu here, swipe down by the top right corner, you pull it down. You want to hold your record button, and on the bottom here, see it says microphone off. So once I plug in the microphone, it still says microphone off. By tapping microphone on, Okay, you can see that it's reading the microphone. And then here we go. This should be recording the microphone now. So let's see if this works. Okay, so there you see that it did work. Let's go and let's try something else here. Let's check with some video. So what I'm going to do is let's record some video here. All right, let's see. Is it recording from this microphone or is it recording from the main microphone? That I'm not sure of. But we are on the phone, so let's see if this did record. I'm trying to talk very softly into the microphone itself so that the iPhone microphone doesn't pick it up. So let's see. Okay, so as you can see, microphone does work. Not that good of a microphone, but it does work. So let's see if it's any different than the iPhone microphone itself. So I'm going to try recording and seeing if I can plug this in while I'm recording, whether it'll change. So let's try that. All right, so I am on the phone now. I am using, this is the phone's internal microphone. So it's, like I said, the sound is good, but it's not great. So let's do this. I'm going to take the cord and let's plug it in. And we're going to talk with this phone to see how much better an external microphone is than the internal microphone itself. So we'll try this out, see how it works. So let's go back over and see if we can go back over to the internal microphone on the iPhone. So this is back on the internal microphone on the iPhone. Let's see how big of the difference it was. All right, so as you can see on that, there is a difference. Like I said, this is a very cheap microphone. I'm impressed a little bit with it. It's really not that bad. Like I said, I want to do a lot more with my phone. It's a lot easier to carry around than the M50 camera, the Canon M50 that I have. So as you can see, I mean, it's not that big of a camera, but it can be a pain to carry around. So carrying around this, it'll be a lot easier to do vlogs on the run or video or something like that, even if I'm in my shop where I don't have much room. So for 10 bucks, yeah, this was worth it. I think so. I'll put a link to this product down below. Just disclaimer, I do receive compensation if you do purchase anything with it. But yeah, I would suggest this. It's not a professional mic, but it's good enough. It's good enough for what I use it for. So thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know of better microphones or if there's another way to use a microphone, because the jacks that I have on my Rode mics don't have enough of the bands. It's only 2 bands. It's got to be 3 bands on it. So I can't use those, or I would have used those originally. But yeah, I like this. So like I said, if it's your first time visiting us, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. Really does help out the channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. Make sure you hit that bell icon. You'll get a notification anytime I put up a video like this. If you're using a mobile device, make sure notifications are allowed. Like I said, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the video. In any case, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with you guys again real soon.
You ever felt? Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.